Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the cute Butterbear gift box decorations in Heartopia. So during this Butterbear collaborations event, you can collect this adorable gift box and you can use it as a house decorations. And the good news is that it's very easy to get. First, you need to receive a gift from one of your friends. And if you don't know how to send or receive gift yet, just check out the link in the description for a complete guide. And when your friend sends you a gift, just simply open it from your backpack and then but unfortunately in here I can't show the unwrapping process because I already opened the gift my friend sent earlier. But don't worry, it's super simple. Just tap the gift item in your backpack and then just tap unwrap, and then after opening it you will receive the rewards inside, which are usually items like books or music CDs. And as a bonus you will also get this empty Butterbear gift box, this cute Butterbear gift box like this. And the best part is that this gift box can be placed as decorations in your house, and it will making your room look even more adorable. Just tap on place to place it at your home like this, and then just place it at the spots that you like. For example, I want to place it on here, and then just simply tap on checklist, and just like that. That's how to get the Butterbeer gift box in Heartopia. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!